So I'm on the homepage of Swell. Um, One of the reasons why, or one of the difficulties in using Swell originally was that you had to develop your own theme and connect it to the Swell from from the front end to the back end. Yes, well, you had to be a pretty clever guy, a developer. They've Originally they provided themes, so they've gone back to that. So if I browse the catalog, they've only got one theme now. So put the website back on this theme, and yeah, let's get this working on the theme. So just going back again, let's have a look. So go into the online store. Let's click on this. Explore the default theme. It brings us back to this page. Okay, add a storefront. We could upload a theme, but I haven't got any themes, so let's just use the default. Click on that. Let's install the theme. It's nice, a little countdown timer. Looks like it's almost done. Cool. Oh wow, yeah, it's pretty good installed in.